Hi guys, this console calculator developed in Visual C#. So let me show you guys how it works. First of all, you enter whatever number you intend to calculate in there. Press enter and select whatever operator you intend to use. So I'm using division in this case. And what are we dividing? Let's say 56. There we go, guys. You can always press the key and run the program again. Okay, so let's go for that, and let's say multiply that by 4 and there. So what I'll do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into Visual C# development environment and put one of these console calculator project together. So let's go into the development environment now. Hi and welcome to C# tutorial. In this session I'm going to develop a calculator using C# console. So let's start by clicking on new. Okay, now that the dialog box is ready, let's click on C#, Visual C# and select console app right here, this very one. Then I'm going to give my project a name. I'm just going to call it CS underscore console underscore calculator, and then click on OK. There. Okay guys, my application is now ready. So the first thing I'm going to start with is let's declare some variables here. So I'm going to call it, let's say, double. That would be for first number, and go for another double, second number. Then we have another double, and that will be for my answer. Then one operator, so let's say string ops. There, those are all my variables in place. The next thing is I'm going to call, let's say, console right there. So console dot write line, and right there I'm going to call it, let's say, console calculator tutorial. In C#. There. Right. And let's say, okay, right in here we can just enter a new line, right? And we enter semicolon there. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is, let's say, console. So this time around, we're just going to copy all of that. Console dot read, and in here we just like the user to enter, let's say, enter first number there. And maybe I should have an underline here, because if I run it now, what will happen is the system will just flash and go. You won't be able to see it. Look at what's going to happen. You see that? So for us to be able to see it, that should be, let's add console dot, I think, read key, this very one, enter parentheses. So if I run it, this is what you guys will see right there. But maybe we should get it centered. So in here I'm going to enter, let's say, tab 3 of those, and another 3 tabs here to get it centered. Let me get rid of this and change that to carriage return. I'm going to copy that and paste this right underneath. Then draw some lines. Let's just draw some lines to underline that. Yeah, that should do it. So if I run it now, this is how my system will sort of like look like. You see that, guys? I think I prefer it this way. Okay, then the next thing is we need to read some input. So what we do is whatever we enter in here, we want it stored somewhere. So let's say first number equals double dot parse. Okay, and what we want it to parse, that should be console dot read line. There. I think maybe we need some parentheses here. Yeah, that's fine. What about this first number? To take care of this, let me just copy all of these variables. I'm just going to place them in here, so that's fine. Alright, now for the second input, I'd like it to accept as follows. So let's double click and just enter in here. That's going to be, maybe select an operator. Select an operator. Yeah, so the operator is going to be one of these. So let's see what we're talking of. Plus, subtract, multiplication, division. Let's go for mode, then exponential. So those are the operator. 1 2 3 4 5 6 of those. Okay, and this will become an operator. So let's change that to ups. Why we get rid of all of this? Get rid of that and get rid of this as well. Okay, whatever type of operator selected is then stored in here. Now the second number, paste that in there and then just change it to second number. As for the second number, and this one will just be enter second number. Right, let's see. Okay, let's just get rid of this. Make it, yeah, that's fine now. Alright, that's for the second number. So the second number is stored in here. So the next thing is I'm going to use an if statement to determine the type of operator selected. Okay, we enter an if statement there. If, let's say, operator equals plus, and we enter a curly braces there. Say answer equals first number plus second number. There, and console dot write answer. Right there. So all I just need to do now is to copy it. Let's copy, paste, paste, paste. So this will be subtraction, and change the operator to subtraction. Multiplication, change it to multiplication, and division, change that to division. And we have one more here. Let's enter our modulus there, and there we go. There, That's all there is to it. Alright, if I run the program now, let's run it and see how it works. There we go, guys. That's the program. So let's extend this and maybe increase the font size. Let's go straight to the property. I'm gonna make that, so that you guys can read it properly. Yeah, that's fine. And if you want, you can always change the color, change the layout to whatever you want. The choice is yours. It's all there. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it as maybe white and black. Right. Okay, you can change the text, you can change the background. Alright, that's fine the way it is anyway. Okay, right there, let's enter a number there. So 56, should that be minus, or let's go for minus 45. There we go. Okay, so press enter to continue. So that is how you develop your own calculator using C# console. But one or two things just need to be taken care of. I think like here I have the answer. Okay, we can always get it centered if you want. So, and here as well, we can always get it centered. Okay, let's try and get the result centered right here, or no, let's add more space to the results, so we can always enter here and plus right there. Okay, I'm just going to copy that across. Let's come down here, see this and this. Okay, now we can even enter something here. Let's say console.write whatever. I'm gonna copy that. Just wanted to say something, maybe. So right in there we can just enter, press any key to exit. Okay, so I'm gonna run it now. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Run it again. Okay, enter the number you want to get sorted, then select an operator. Let's go for modulus and enter a value there, that is correct. Yeah, now let's give it a try again. Enter whatever in there. Let's say plus, and maybe we'll say 9. There, that's the answer to that. That's good. But I think maybe we can even add a space in here. Let's add one space in here. Yeah, this one. Okay, try that again. You can always add it in here, really. Maybe get it centered. That's too much. Get rid of this. Now do that again. Alright. Let's say subtract. And what are we subtracting? 45. There we go, guys. And that's how you develop your own calculator using console within C#. So let me show you guys the lines of code again before I call it the end of this program. Let's come right here. Those are the lines of code. You see how easy it is? Take it down. Yeah. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this program. I suppose you guys enjoy it. So you all have a nice day now, and bye for now.